Hi, I'm Darryl Sangster, former franchisor, CEO, and president of my own franchise system, as well as a 20-year franchise industry veteran. The thought of expanding your franchise is exciting, but it can also be overwhelming. I created this course as a complete step-by-step roadmap to franchise expansion. Do you have a vision of growth and expansion for your brand? Do you want to make franchise expansion a priority? Are you stuck spinning your wheels without expanding? This course will help you get unstuck. In this course, you will learn how to attract and sign franchisees quickly and efficiently using new skills and strategies and proven franchise systems to implement immediately without feeling overwhelmed. I will take you from frustrated and stressed to feeling excited and confident as you learn how to expand your franchise. You will learn advanced system optimization techniques to expand your franchise without waiting years to do it. The Franchise Expansion Academy course is a powerful step-by-step guide and platform for franchisors and franchise developers to quickly attract and expand your franchise. You will learn how to attract and sign the right franchisees. You will learn effective and proven skills and strategies to expand your franchise overall. This Franchise Expansion Academy course is the perfect solution for today's busy franchisor. Together, we will blast through the excuses and knock down the walls holding you back from achieving your vision of franchise expansion. We will determine how to attract the right franchise candidates, how to present your franchise offer, and how to communicate, qualify, nurture, and sign new franchisees using my powerful 5-stage franchise awarding system. I've been looking forward to getting this franchise expansion course into the hands of franchisors and franchise developers, and here we are. And I'm excited to help you achieve your expansion goals for your franchise. Building and expanding your franchise is a result of taking action, and this course is a complete step-by-step roadmap to franchise expansion, whether you're opening your first or your 50th franchise. This course contains 37 lessons broken down into 8 modules containing support videos, checklists, roadmaps, guides, templates, agreements, systems, and of course, my 5-stage franchise awarding system. This course of mine offers a 14-day money-back guarantee. You can literally take my franchise expansion course out for a test drive, and if you get a few lessons in and decide that it's maybe not for you, I will give you 100% of your money back. It's that simple. Obviously, I would prefer that you continue to learn. However, I also know that sometimes life deals curveballs to us after we've made financial decisions. As a former franchisor, I've been stung a few times and had a few people take advantage of my trust, and I've lost some money along the way. This course provides you with a 14-day money-back guarantee. As a former franchisor, I recall the stress I felt driving home, stuck in traffic. I remember the pressure I felt on my shoulders, and I can never forget the sleepless nights I had trying to, quote, figure it all out. This course is a complete step-by-step system to help you expand your franchise. Now, I can't solve all of your franchise problems with this course, but I will teach you how to expand, and I will provide you with the system and the tools needed to expand your franchise. You are not alone in this learning journey, and I'm excited to help you and your business pursue your franchise expansion dreams.